Ukwa is a very rich food in Igbo land. It has the English name of breadfruit and botanical name of Trichulia africana. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this dish. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I have some ukwa here, some washed onubu, that's bitter leaf, some palm oil, dry fish, scotch bonnet pepper, seasoning cube. To be honest, you don't really need it. Some salt, akam, that's potash. Go ahead and wash the ukwa. Wash off the skin, wash it clean, and then transfer it to a pot or pressure pot. Or in this case, I'm using a pressure pot, but if you don't have a pressure pot, it's okay. It will still cook, but the time will vary. Go ahead and add in the potash, melt the potash in water, and then strain it. Just add the water only. Then add in some salt and cover it to cook. Like I was saying, you guys, ukwa contains an adequate amount of protein, enriched with fiber, carbohydrates for energy. It also has omega-3 fatty acids, and it lowers bad cholesterol. Ukwa can also be eaten roasted with some coconuts. Yummy! While the ukwa is cooking, you can go ahead and wash the dry fish. You can just soak it in warm water for a little bit and then wash and debone the fish. Okay, after washing it, set it aside and then go ahead and prepare the remaining ingredients. Our scotch bonnet. Yes, just go ahead and crush up the scotch bonnet with mortar and pestle, or you can just chop it up with knife. Okay, and then set it aside. Guys, as our culture is in Igbo land, you must serve any of these local delicacies in your traditional marriage ceremony. Delicacies like ofe onubu, ofe akpụrakpụ egusi, ofe achara, ukwa, maọbụkwa abacha. Any of these recipes is a must in your ceremonies in Igbo land. If you're not from Igbo land, please let me know how it is in your culture. Okay, I would like to hear from you. So while we'll check on the ukwa, it is ready. Yeah, I'm just going to run water on the pressure cooker, open it up. Okay, you see some oil on top of that ukwa. Ukwa has its own oil. Makandia from ukwa. At this point, you can go ahead and remove some ukwa water for drinking, okay? But I want to make it porridge. So go ahead and add in your fish, your dried fish, your scotch bonnet pepper you've grinded, the seasoning cube. Just use one part, okay? This recipe, it doesn't even really need seasoning cube, but you can add just one. It is very sweet on its own and rich. Add in the palm oil, then cut in the onubu, the bitter leaf, add it in, stir it up and taste for salt. If you need salt, add salt and adjust. Okay, cover and cook. And look at that, you have your ukwa ready. The porridge ukwa, it is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends. I will see you guys again.